All right, so this is your final option for your 40 book challenge check. I think this is a really fun assignment. I know a lot of my students are really into their music, and I think it's cool when I'm reading. Sometimes it comes out like a movie in my head, and one thing that I really love about movies is the music. So now this assignment kind of gives you a chance to make a soundtrack to your book. So let me just explain what this assignment is real quick. So based on your readings from this week, you're going to find 2 songs that can accompany your story. So it can be related to something that the character is going through, or it can kind of be like theme or background music to just accompany whatever's happening in the story. You're going to fill out this information as always, and then you're going to fill out the space for both of your songs right here. So first of all, tell me one thing that is happening in your story, something that the character is going through. This needs to be specific. Don't give me a full summary because I'm asking for 2. So if you give me one really big summary right here, then you won't have anything to say in the next one. So focus on a detail or an experience that your character is having or something big that just happened in your last reading, and write at least 3 sentences here. And then, based on what's happening or what your character is going through, what kind of song would you choose to accompany that moment? Like, imagine if this is turned into a movie, what song would you put in the background of this scene? So, the information I want from you is the song title, and then a line or 2 of the lyrics that you think are relevant. So I can have those there for me. And then just 2 sentences like, what is the message of the song? What's this song about? If you kind of find that you don't have space to fit that all in here, you can delete this question and just type your answer, and this you'll delete as well. So you can delete this and provide that information for me. And if it still doesn't fit, you can make the font a little bit smaller. And then third, you're going to have to explain, how does this song relate to your character or to relate to what's happening? Just explain why you chose that song pretty much and how it relates. So give me 3 sentences of that. And then you're going to do the same thing in choosing a different detail of your story and a different song. And then again, explain your choice and how they're connected. So I'm excited for this assignment. I think it's a cool chance for you all to be really creative, and I'm excited to hear what kind of music you all are into. So I hope you have fun with this assignment, and then just turn it into Schoology when you're finished.